You wanna know what was so cool about being Gen X? So let's just start with, we had Kool-Aid, Jell-O, TV dinners. We had Matt Dillon, Rob Lowe, Jamie Gertz. We had Fast Times at Ridgemont High. We had The Outsiders. We had Smurfs. We had Grimace, Hamburglar, and Fry Guys. And if you know, you know. And if you don't, I'm sorry. We had the Honda Prelude. You remember that car? That car was the best. We had Trans Ams, Depeche Mode, New Order, The Cure, Prince, Jordache, Benetton, Club Monaco, Kangaroo Shoes. I don't think we really had parents. Did we? I didn't. I hitchhiked. I made cassette tapes for boys I liked. I got drunk, threw up, fell down, and there's absolutely no proof of that, other than the fact that I just told you. We had the Brat Pack. We had Walkman. I don't know, maybe every generation thinks their generation is the best, but I gotta tell you, it's Gen X. Tell me I'm wrong. It's Gen X.